it's me, Mariah, and if you do not know me, you are crazy! I'm TanglesInTiaras on YouTube. Nice to meet you. So, I got something really cool in the mail the other day, and I've been waiting a couple days to film this. So today I will be unboxing and reviewing as well as demoing this brand new product, the Loreal new hair sheet mask. I don't know about you, but I've never heard of a sheet mask for your hair. This is 100% sulfate-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and has no harsh salts. I didn't know that there were salts in hair care products that weren't for like texturizing, so I think that's interesting. Bless you! I have this Loreal shampoo right here, and it is the Everpure sulfate-free color care system, and it claims to deeply strengthen, protect from color aggressors, and has natural botanicals. So this is very interesting, all natural. This is 100% vegan, by the way. If you're a vegan and you're looking for vegan products, here's a vegan shampoo that you may like to try. Deeply strengthens and repairs as it defends against damage. System makes hair stronger, more resistant, and helps color stay pure. So this is for color treated hair or really brittle hair, dry hair, hair that needs a little bit of strengthening. And then we have the Everpure sulfate-free color care system intense repair hair sheet mask steam treatment. This is a 5-minute hair treatment for damaged hair. It pretty much says the exact same thing as the shampoo. So this is going to be really interesting. I think because my hair isn't super brittle, I'm going to try out the shampoo and see if it's okay for people with dandruff, stuff like that, because I struggle with dandruff like all the time if you saw my last video. Whew. But yeah, let's go test it out. First we're going to be trying out the shampoo, and this is it right here. It's just a white shampoo with a little bit of a pearlescent-ness to it. It smells really nice. It's very sweet, and it almost kind of smells like herbs in a way, which is really cool. Okay. I'm really curious to see how my scalp reacts to this shampoo because it is sulfate free and it's vegan. I'm also curious to see if my hair is going to have any body because my hair is very flat, so I usually use products when I shampoo and condition for that reason. And I am getting water all over the bathroom. Oops. Sorry, Mom. Now it's time for the hair mask. So, looks like this. It smells very flowery, so it makes sense that it has flowers on it. But if you feel it right here, you can really feel the mask that's supposed to sink into your hair through the steam. I'm not sure how it's supposed to do that. This kind of feels like there's no pores. I don't know how this is supposed to work. After shampooing, twist and wrap carefully into the cap with flat facing forward. Place sticker to seal. I don't do stuff like this, so I don't know how this is working. I was being a little dummy. So you don't wrap your hair like this, which makes more sense now. You actually open it like this. I'm gonna put our hair up, twist it up, and then we are going to... A normal person wouldn't have this much trouble, but I have to make things a little more difficult. Bag head. There we go. Now you have to massage your hair in the mask without taking the mask off. Got the sticker too covered in conditioner. Okay, I finally got it. Oh, hold the sticker there for a second. Let it adhere to the mask. Now you have to let it sit for 5 minutes so it can bake and get beautiful. So I am going to I don't know, shave, I guess. Marry me, Juliet, you'll never have to feel alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I'm gonna just zhuzh it one last time. Look how loud it is. It's like It already feels like 10,000 times more soft. Ooh. My hair is usually super tangly, but it's a little, there's a couple snarls in there. But like, overall I can just run my fingers through. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry so that, you know, I don't cause any more damage than there already is. My hair isn't super damaged or anything, but I do use heat on it without heat protection. So we're gonna see if it's still like super frizzy, if I have really bad dandruff, stuff like that. So I will see you guys in a couple hours when it is completely dried. Okay, so my hair is fully dried. I haven't looked at it because I kind of wanted it to be like a whoa, this is good, or whoa, this is bad, like right off the bat. My hair definitely feels super duper soft, like way softer than usual, and it has way more body than usual. Like, I always feel like I shouldn't condition my hair because whenever I condition my hair, it's always too much conditioner and it just goes straight and flat, but like it still has like something to it, which is really, really nice. I don't see any dandruff. It's really shiny. I can't stop looking at it, especially in these fluorescent lights. Like, ooh. I usually have to use a detangler, but if you look at my hair as I brush it, it's super shiny, which my hair usually is not. It's very dull, and I usually hate it because of that, and that's why I usually cut my hair. I definitely say try it out, and yeah. Overall, I really enjoyed both of these products, and I totally recommend them. I do think that if you have totally healthy hair, I recommend using a hair mask that you can buy at like Sally Beauty Supply or Walmart that like comes in a big thing of it, because this is one-time use. It's like $4, and depending on what you like, I personally like to do at home hair masks where I like to make them so I know exactly what's in them and I control what's in them. But if you're somebody who really loves hair masks, want to try it out because you want to have a spa day, you know, I totally get it. Totally pick it up. I think it is really fun. At least try it once. That's all I have to say. At least try it once, and if you don't like it, then don't use it again. And as for the shampoo, okay, I do not like the bottle. It is really hard to close, so I have shampoo coming out. Oh, it broke. Nice. But the shampoo overall was really nice. I really love the smell of it. My hair still smells really good from both the shampoo and the mask. Also, because it's gluten-free and everything, you know, it's better for your hair. I did not experience any dandruff using this shampoo. Overall, my hair feels a lot better than it was. It definitely feels a little thicker. So I really enjoyed this. And if you are looking for a new shampoo to try, you can try this out. I have shampoo on my jeans. Very fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, make sure to click the subscribe button right there or right here. And you can also click the thumbs up button and make sure to hit the little bell icon, and that'll make sure that you get notified every single time I post on Tangles and Tiaras. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!